in the thick of it now. We've got just a bit of corn left. Jason and I think McKoy's in there, running the pit. And we got various boys working on their reflections.
Brock is right here.
Brock, what are you doing? Brock. Well, he's writing his reflections paper. He's doing a great job at it too. And there's little Alaina. She's trying to help, I guess. We got Mandy driving the truck now. I think Drexler's in there with Dyson. We've had Mandy, Colton, Cammy, and Earl's Megan drive the truck so far this year. There's Pickle Indian, he's writing his reflection story too. Dylan, what are you doing? Oh, man, he just killed it.
I'm doing reflections.
Can you say it a little bit louder?
I'm doing reflections.
What's your story about?
The water slides at Riverdale.
Oh, that sounds good.